I am Nishtha. Welcome back to our new video tutorial of Magento 2. In today's video, we're gonna check out the default functionality of Magento 2, wherein we're going to see the workflow of how to export products into our CSV file format. Before proceeding further, kindly do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for further updates from our end. And if you do like the video, kindly give the thumbs up. Now, let's move towards the admin backend panel of Magento 2 to showcase the workflow of this functionality. Now, as you can see, I'm on the admin backend panel of Magento 2, where I'm going to log in to the panel. Once you click on the sign in option, you're going to redirect towards the dashboard. Here on the left hand side panel, you can see the option of system is there. You have to click on the system option. Under that, you can see the data transfer option is there. Here you have to click on the export option. Once you click on the export option, you'll be able to see all the export settings here. And the first most important thing, you can see the files which I have exported earlier are present here. Once you exported the file, it will be visible here itself. From here, you have to select the entity type. Here we are having advanced pricing, products, customers, main file, customer addresses, stock sources. So in today's video, I'm going to check out the products and rest of the options we're going to show you in the upcoming videos. The next option is export file format. The format is CSV. And the next one is fields enclosure. In fields enclosure, if you want to prevent your data from special characters, then you can check this inbox. If you don't want to prevent your data from special characters, then you do not want to check this box. And in the bottom side, you can see the entity attributes options are there. From here, just in case if you want to, exclude some kind of attributes, so you can select those attributes from here and can save. Then those attributes, like those products which are having those kind of attributes, will not going to export in the CSV file format. So you will going to check these boxes like this. And as of now, I'm not going to check any of these boxes. And if you want to, particularly search for some particular product from their SQL, so you can write the SKU here and then click on enter. Then in this, you have to write down the SKU number of that product and then you have to click on enter. Then those products which are coming under this, under that particular SKU, will going to filter out. And as of now, we are not going to exclude or include any kind of products. So we're going to backspace and then enter. Scrolling down, you can see the option continue is there. You have to click on this continue option. Once you click on the continue option, you can see the option pop-up is there. Messages added to queue. Wait to get your file soon. Make sure your cron job is running to export the file. Kindly note, to export this file, the cron job must be running on the backend. In this, the cron job is running from the backend. That's why the file is exported. So here, you can see the file is there. And from here, you can download, or if you want to delete, you can click on the delete option. So I'm going to click on the download option. Then open the file. As you can see, the file is downloaded and you can see the options of the products which appear on the front end in this sheet. The SKU, store view, attribute set code, product type, categories, product websites, name, descriptions, short descriptions, and many more options. If you scroll down, if you scroll there, you can see all the options which are there on the front end. So that was much about this functionality from my end. And still, if you have any query, any doubt or suggestions regarding this functionality of Magento 2, so you can reach back to us at support@webkul.com or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. And lastly, thanks for watching the video. Have a good day ahead.